Now, we disassemble all the bodies of this motorcycle. Later, after disassembling, first we will wash the chassis of this motorbike. Before washing, first we rub the rear lights. Actually, it doesn't matter if it gets wet. I'm packed this lamp just to reduce exposure to wetness. At least, if it gets wet, can be dried quickly. We will clean this part too. After this video, we do the cleaning throttle body along with the combustion chamber. For the coil component will be checked. Later, we will reboil and clean this coil. Starter switch is still good. Battery connector is still good. If this is called LC socket, still sealed and still in good condition. Okay, all bodies have been disassembled. Here are the balls. We will temporarily store them in a plastic bag. All disassemble, and only leaving the front fender along with the dashboard. For the headlights will be wrapped sun too. Check the chassis section. Visible, there is a bit of peeling paint. Still safe, only peel it off at the clasp. Switch stand side still okay. The cable line below is still safe. No trace of impact or friction. Alright, all cable lines are in good condition. Body washing has been complete. Currently just working on light mode washing. The tile mode washing will be carried out after finishing cleaning the combustion chamber.